Hey everybody, I am out here on the lake with Miss Katie Delaney of the River Yogis, and she is going to demonstrate some paddleboard yoga, some SUP yoga, stand-up paddleboard yoga. We've had some questions recently because we have SUP yoga announcements on the board at the studio, and everybody's like, what's SUP yoga? What's SUP yoga? SUP yoga is stand-up paddleboard yoga. So it's combining yoga with the instability of being on a stand-up paddleboard on the water. Okay, so let me just tell you guys something. It is a challenge to the balance. So it's a great way to really get connected with your body, with your feet, with your balance, with nature, because come on, let's be honest, it's gorgeous out here. We've seen some fish. We've seen some birds eating fish. We've seen one fish escape. So Kate, yeah, he lives to swim another day. So let's go ahead and Katie's going to paddle away from me a little bit so I don't run into her. I'm just drifting. So here's my board and my paddle. I'm just drifting. There's Miss Katie. She's going to demonstrate some sun salutations.
Yes. All right, friends. So the way I'd like to tell my friends to get up is by placing their paddle in front of them in a reachable position. And then we will down dog, making sure that we have a nice wide base, and then slowly walking our feet forward, grabbing onto that paddle, and then slowly standing up. Now, again, you want to keep that wide base, just because from a wide base, you'll feel a lot more stable. The closer you keep your feet together, think like a tree, the less stable you're going to be. So definitely keep that wide base. Now, in our sun salutations, I like to start out in down dog. And then all we're going to do is walking our feet forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way back up. One vertebrae at a time. Arms coming all the way up overhead. Hands at heart center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Taking it slow. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Plant the hands down, stepping back into our plank. Lowering all the way down, finding your upward facing dog. Inhale, coming back into down dog, holding for 5. Pressing the chest back, planting through the palms, again making sure we have our base. Inhale, looking forward, stepping the feet towards the hands. Make sure you have that wide base here. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, all the way back up. One vertebrae at a time. And there you have it.
Sun salutation. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you on the mat or on the stand-up paddleboard very soon. Namaste.